How do you multiply integers with round numbers? A round number is an integer that ends with a 0. Now that you've learned how to multiply by powers of 10, you can also multiply by round numbers. The method is simple as long as you know your times tables. Consider the following example. 4 times 500. 500 is the round number. If you ignore the zeros in the round number, you are left with 4 times 5. The answer is 20. Then you count the number of zeros in the round number and put them after the last digit in the answer. So 4 times 500 equals 2,000. This method builds on what you learned from multiplying by powers of 10, but it has one extra step of multiplication. Let's look at one more example. 8 times 150. You first multiply 8 by 15, and then you put on the 0. When you multiply 8 by 15, you remember that 15 equals 10 plus 5. You first multiply 8 by 10, which is 80. And then multiply 8 by 5, which is 40. Then you add 80 and 40, which equals 120. Since 150 ended with 1 0, you put this at the end of 120. So 8 times 150 equals 1,200. When you multiply an integer by a round number, you first ignore the zeros in the round number. Then you solve the new multiplication problem and add the remaining zeros.